Every great engineer begins not with perfect knowledge, but with the willingness to believe in their craft, in their values, and in the impact of their work. In civil engineering, confidence and purpose are not inherited traits. They are built slowly through countless challenges, late nights, and lessons that go beyond formulas and drawings. The profession demands not only precision, but also resilience and reflection. The ability to see meaning in every bridge, every foundation, every inch of progress created for others. If you've ever found yourself questioning where confidence truly comes from or what gives purpose to your work, share your thoughts in the comments. Your perspective might remind another engineer why they began this journey in the first place. Confidence in civil engineering is often misunderstood. It is not simply the absence of mistakes or the mastery of every tool. True confidence grows from understanding how systems work, how decisions affect outcomes, and how each project contributes to something larger. It comes from the courage to take responsibility, to accept uncertainty, and to keep improving. Every drawing refined, every discussion with colleagues, every problem solved on-site becomes a building block of that quiet strength within. Purpose, meanwhile, gives direction to that confidence. It transforms ordinary work into meaningful contribution. Engineers who act with purpose know that their designs are not just technical documents, they are the groundwork of safe roads, clean water, and thriving cities. Their work helps communities live better, and that realization turns routine into passion. When engineers understand why they build, they begin to see beyond deadlines and discover a deeper reason to excel. To reach that level of growth, however, an engineer needs more than technical skill. Confidence and purpose flourish in environments that encourage curiosity, collaboration, and continuous learning. They require a culture where mistakes are seen as steps forward, where mentorship replaces competition, and where each individual is empowered to take ownership of their progress. Such environments help engineers rediscover the joy of problem solving, the very curiosity that first drew them to this profession. One organization that embodies this belief is AXA Engineers, a company recognized for its commitment to human development within the technical field. Guided by the philosophy of high performance and happiness, AXA Engineers has built an ecosystem that values both precision and well-being. Through a structured approach to training and mindset development, engineers learn to approach challenges with calm focus and self-assurance. This balance of professional rigor and personal growth has earned the company recognition from international institutions, demonstrating that engineering excellence begins with investing in people. The broader civil engineering community can draw an important lesson from examples like AXA Engineers. That confidence is not something to be demanded, but something to be cultivated. When organizations prioritize mentorship, transparent communication, and shared success, engineers feel trusted and motivated to deliver their best. That sense of belonging naturally gives rise to purpose, reminding professionals that their contribution matters not only to their team, but to the communities their projects serve. Confidence and purpose together form the invisible foundation of every successful career. They sustain engineers through the pressures of deadlines and the weight of responsibility. They remind each professional that behind every completed plan lies the unseen labor of patience, learning, and quiet pride. And when these qualities are nurtured, the result is not only better engineers, but better cities, safer environments, and stronger communities. AXA Engineers has shown that when an environment values happiness as much as performance, people do not just work, they grow. And when engineers grow, their work becomes more than a task, it becomes a legacy. Civil engineering will always be about solving problems, but the greatest problem any engineer must solve is the one within, learning to trust their abilities, their vision, and their purpose. Confidence may start as a spark, but when nurtured by the right mindset and community, it becomes the foundation for a lifetime of meaningful work. If this message speaks to you, leave a comment about what keeps you motivated in your engineering journey. Your words might encourage someone who is still learning to build not just structures, but confidence and purpose that will last a lifetime.